waste treatment and environmental conservation. Members of the Confederation of Ribhoi People Corp, central body, today expressed their apprehension over the reported illegal toll imposed by an unidentified group on the transportation of poultry products to the state of Meghalaya. Seeking immediate intervention and action, the Corp lodged complaints against the offending group with the Deputy Commissioner's Office. According to the Corp Working President, Pateng Mersing, they have received multiple complaints from local traders supplying poultry to Meghalaya of being charged exorbitant fees amounting to over 30,000 rupees per vehicle by an unidentified group for transporting poultry into the state.
Tingyo iba kanega jingsi menteri, mano ba aibor yaki bakila bensim yaki entry ngikwa bentip lane kadai ba yo lese kidon kiti ki ministan ne ba aibor yaki degi bru ki besim yaki entry naglang kaseng ngikwa benbu yaki jingkeli bat tamkut tang mendagasngi rai nginang buddin yaki nega kam hadu bagi nalap mano ba aibor yaki kita bensim yaki entry.
The Seng Samlashnang of Umling Kadait